Imagine a world where nearly everything dies. The oceans turn toxic, the skies burn, forests vanish, and 96% of all life on Earth is erased. This wasn't a movie. This wasn't a myth. This really happened 252 million years ago. Scientists call it the Great Dying, the worst mass extinction our planet has ever known. But today's story isn't about what was lost. It's about the few that somehow survived. At the end of the Permian period, Earth became almost unrecognizable. Massive volcanic eruptions in what is now Siberia burned for millions of years, pumping unimaginable amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Temperatures soared, oceans warmed and lost oxygen. Toxic gases like hydrogen sulfide began bubbling to the surface. Entire coral reefs vanished. Most fish species collapsed. On land, forests died, leaving barren, cracked ground behind. For complex life, this should have been the end of the story. But extinction wasn't total. Some creatures possessed something more powerful than size or strength. They had adaptability. Small, burrowing animals had an advantage. Underground, temperatures were more stable. Early mammal-like reptiles, known as therapsids, hid from the worst of the heat and chaos. One of them, Lystrosaurus, became the ultimate survivor, stubby, unimpressive. Yet after the apocalypse, it made up nearly 90% of all land animals. In the oceans, simple creatures endured where giants fell. Jellyfish-like organisms, worms, hardy shell builders that could tolerate low oxygen and acidic water. Life didn't win by being dominant. It won by being resilient. So how did these creatures do it? They ate almost anything. They required very little oxygen. They reproduced quickly. And most importantly, they could endure extreme conditions. While massive predators starved, small generalists adapted. While specialized species vanished, flexible ones survived. Evolution didn't reward the strongest. It rewarded the most adaptable. For millions of years after the extinction, Earth remained eerily quiet. Ecosystems were simple. Predators were rare. Life crept back slowly. But from these survivors came something extraordinary. The ancestors of dinosaurs, the ancestors of mammals, and eventually, us. Every forest, every animal, every human alive today exists because a few creatures endured the impossible. The Great Dying reshaped life forever. And here's the unsettling truth. The conditions that triggered it, rising temperatures, ocean acidification, oxygen loss, are happening again. But this time, it's happening faster. Life survived before, but survival came at a terrible cost. The question isn't whether Earth will endure. It always does. The real question is, who will be left when the dust settles?